Everyone, hope everything is going well. I wanted to touch today on NYCB, and I wanted to just look at Bitcoin price action. NYCB had horrific earnings, and their stock went to the lowest point since 1997. Now, it has jumped up to 490, but if you look maybe from a 1 month perspective, this stock was over a $10 stock. And within 10 days, it has dropped over 50%. Now it's having a bounce. Would I buy this bounce? No, I can't tell you what to do, but I am not touching this. I do have stocks in, ETFs, indexes, the whole nine yards for now. But I'm not going to be touching speculative stocks like this because they are exposed to commercial real estate. And I've talked about this in my other video. And what I noticed was, let's look at it from a 5 day perspective. As soon as this stock was experiencing issues, what did I notice for Bitcoin? Now, this could just be a coincidence, but Wednesday, Bitcoin just started to rally hard. You have to see, hey, is the fear in commercial real estate causing people to speculate in Bitcoin right now as a flight to safety for the time being? I do think that Bitcoin will have a super pump up before the meltdown will occur. I think that pump up is going to be the first half of this year, and the pump down will most likely be when the stock market starts to collapse. And so will Bitcoin. That's my prediction, not telling you what to do. And I also like looking at intermarket relationships, specifically the 5 year tips that the guy from the Eurodollar University, that guy, he first came up with that analysis. I forgot his name, but I watch him all the time on YouTube. Anyways, if you can see the 10 year tip, 5 year tips was 2.58, like August or October 6th. Let's look at Bitcoin maybe like last 6 months. You notice a trend where Bitcoin just shot up. And yeah, there were a few things geopolitically as well with the situation going on in Israel, and the stock market bottomed out around this time as well. So you saw this boom where we're at today. And where's the 5 year tips right now? And you can look at my older videos on my finance channel or my AIH Sports where I talk about the 5 year tips, 10 year tips, the whole nine yards. And ultimately, when you see rates go from positive to negative, that helps alternative assets. Now it's still positive, but you could see Bitcoin has rallied big. Now, what's going to happen if your rates go negative? That's when people are going to get euphoric about Bitcoin. All the pumpers are going to be jumping up and down, but they won't know the fundamental reason why it's going, Bitcoin price is going up. Look at 2021. Look at when it was basically topping out, the stocks were topping out. Look at where the 5 year tips was. Okay. So if the yields start going down, which I expect them to go down, you may see a euphoric moment in Bitcoin. And when everyone is getting excited, take the emotion out, look at where this 5 year tips yield is at. Understand positive versus negative interest rates. And it will be a guide of when to get in versus when to get out. And ultimately, the answer is in the charts, in my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm going to be paying very close attention to this. Anyways, I'll talk to you another time. See ya. Bye.